Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type and exposing the mechanism so you can work cleanly. If it's a TSA or combination lock, make sure the bag is empty and laid flat. This prevents tension on the zipper. Once done, position a small screwdriver and a straightened paperclip or tension wrench nearby. You'll use those tools to manipulate the lock bits or shackle. Make sure to work in good light. Poor visibility causes mistakes and can damage the lock or zipper. You now move into the detailed execution. For a combination lock, apply light tension to the shackle and slowly turn dials. Feel for subtle clicks as each wheel sets. This reveals the correct digits. For keyed locks, insert a tension tool and carefully lift pins with a fine pick until the plug rotates. If the lock secures zippers, slip a thin shim between shackle and body and push while twisting. That releases the latch. Stay patient. Small adjustments make the difference. You finish by releasing the mechanism and inspecting for damage. Once the shackle opens, remove the lock and either reset the combination or replace the lock if parts are bent. If it won't open, make sure you reapply steady, light tension and try each dial slowly. Also try a small drop of lubricant in the keyway or mechanism. If nothing works or parts are damaged, cut the lock assembly or consult a locksmith to avoid ruining the suitcase material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.